And finally, from this panel, I want to show you app integrations. So if I click right here, it will prompt me with this window and you can see all of the currently available app integrations. So let's say you're working inside of the team and you're using Slack without ever leaving Adobe XD or leaving Slack for that matter. You can install this app integration and you can integrate Adobe XD with Slack. For example, if you're handing off design style guides, code snippets and more with Zeppelin to your developers, you can use that integration. If you, for example, want to add even more interactivity to your prototypes, you can use Protopie and you can use these integrations. You can use Dropbox Paper, for example, if you want to share interactive prototypes using Dropbox Paper, if that's something you're using with your clients or inside of your company. So you can get the idea of these app integrations. They are really useful, especially if you're working as part of the team or if you're working as a remote part of the team, because sometimes, for example, the entire team is using Slack, you are not using Slack, you don't know how to use it, so why would you leave Adobe XD and install Slack somewhere else and then use time and then jump back and forward between Adobe XD and Slack when you can do all of it inside of one app without ever leaving it when you're working?